Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove missing keywords from your bibliography dataset before analysis so that when you analyze the data, you don't see a lot of NAs showing as the top keyword in your analysis, okay, or most frequent keyword in your analysis. So here I have a data set which I prepared by combining data extracted from Web of Science and Scopus database, and then I did some analysis using it, and then I see that in the keywords I see a lot of NS. So now I decided to remove the NS manually. So I created another file which I'm calling mass combined cleaned. So here normally the keyword is actually here in ID. Okay, so here we have the DE, these are the author keywords, and here we have the IDs, these are the keywords provided by the indexing system. So here I'm going to clean both of them actually. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to data and I'm going to say filter. Then here I'm going to filter all the NAs. So here are all the NAs, and I'm just going to make them blank. Okay, so I'm just going to make them blank and then select all. Okay, then I am going to go to ID again, and then I'm also going to filter by only NA. Oops, not this one. NA. Okay, so I'm just going to remove all the NAs and make them blank. Okay. Now let me check again if we have some more NAs. Yeah, we have some more NAs. So I'm going to select the NA only here. Yeah, only one, remove, and then we're going to select all of it. That's mainly it. Do we have some NAs here in the source? Not really, no. And then I'm going to Control S save. And this is the data I'm going to now use in my, and this is the clean version. This is I'm going to use on my Biblio Shiny. So if I going to browse, so here is my data, and I'm going to open it and start. So we can see some basic information here. In total we have 153 after merging two data sets. Here we can see the main information, the number of journals that publish these articles. So here, when I was doing three fields plot the first time with the initial data set, that's when I realized actually that I'm having some problems in terms of NAs. So I had the keywords, and then on the left field I had sources. Let's make it 10 here, and then on the right field I had countries, and then we are going to make it 10 as well. Apply. So now you see here we don't have any NAs, right? So another thing I can now do is I see that autonomous ship and autonomous ships, these two are used a lot, so I can maybe try to go back to Excel file, make them one. Okay, so let's give it a try right now. So in the cleaned one, I am going to check here in the author keywords. So now the thing is, what are we going to do? Are we going to make all the autonomous ships to ship, or autonomous ship to ships? So what I'm going to do, actually mainly these are the two keyword fields, so I'm going to select both of them, and then I'm going to put a Control F, and then we search for autonomous ships, right? If I'm going here on replace, and then we put autonomous ship. So I'm going to say replace all. Great. Then I'm going to save it again and close. And then I go to my biblioshiny and I will load the data once again. This is the file. We start loading it. And now let's say we try the 3 fields plot again and click apply. So now you see we have only one autonomous ship and rest are different terms, right? Here we see we have mass and we have also autonomous surface ships, so we can make them also maybe one, clean them. So you get the idea how we can actually do cleaning in keyword, and similarly we can also do this kind of cleaning for author names, journal names, and so on. Okay, thank you for listening, and I hope you find this lecture useful.